Have you ever had that experience where you've seen something and you just have to have it? It is so irresistible. It jumps out of the video or jumps off the page and you'll go to any lengths to get it. Do you know what I mean? Do you know how that feels? What if I could help you make your offer, your product, your service sound like that to your ideal client, your perfect client? You know you've got the stuff, but somehow the sales are not happening. The scroll is not stopping, the leads aren't coming in, and then when they do, they're not converting. How sexy is your offer? How irresistible is it? My name is Leah Zalams, and in this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips that are going to help you take what you already know, what you already have, and package it so that it sounds attractive, so it stops the scroll, so it invites people to buy, and it's irresistible. Are you ready? Number 1, name your product, your service, your offer something really sexy, something that is creative and fun and stands out and is different, but not so different that it is ambiguous or so fancy that people don't get what it is. It's got to be creative and fun and stand out, and in the language that your ideal client will understand, and in the language that a 12-year-old would understand. And did you know that 60% of our decision making is based on that title alone? So that's a pretty heavy weight for the title itself. So get cracking on a name that is interesting, it stands out, and it says the result the client will get with your product, your service, your offer. So title is key. Second thing, add in some kind of done for you service. People love to feel taken care of. So maybe it is templates, maybe it is scripts of some sort. Something that you can add in that saves your client time, money, and stress. When you hit those 3 hot buttons, that is going to draw your client in. And if it's not templates or some kind of bonus like that, maybe it's that you will hold their hand through a difficult task. Something like you hold their hand and work with them to do their first videos, do something that has kept them stuck because it's tricky. People love to feel taken care of. So have the second thing is add something that is a done for you part of your offer. Thirdly, you've got to sell with enthusiasm. Like Henry Ford said, the number 1 characteristic of a good salesperson is enthusiasm. Don't be boring. Do not be apologetic, and do not be uninterested in what it is you sell. You know that your product, your service changes lives. So say it with enthusiasm. Say it like you mean it. Now, if these 3 things have helped you, I would love to know in the comments. If you'd like some feedback on your headline, if you've got questions, comments, pop them below, and I'd love to come back and help you out. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video.